bit of a milestone. I'm turning left here, leaving the Princess Freeway, Princess Highway. This will be the last time I was on the Princess Highway until I get to Sydney, and then Sydney down to Canberra. Take the Princess Highway and the Hume Highway. Anyway, off to Wellington. About a couple of k down here is a ferry you can take that crosses the Murray Bridge. It's 24 hours, it's free. It's only about only a couple hundred metres to cross the Murray. Alright, just coming up to the ferry crossing. Looks like it's just on its way back over. Hey, how you going?
Yeah, good yourself?
Good. Oh, I thought I'd have it by myself.
They creep around.
Yeah. Just move all the way forward?
Yeah, the whole thing's yours.
Whoa. So it runs on a pulley system. What do you call your captain, do you? Or?
Don't have your captain's license. No, we've got a pseudo captain's license.
Yeah, right.
Do the training without the title.
Can you marry people?
No.
No, right.
Can't have it on my driver's license.
You can't?
No.
Ah.
No, my missus tells me to shut up when I call myself a captain.
I'll be wearing a captain's hat and everything.
Yeah, I got one at home.
You should wear it. Why not?
I can do the shit. Says it makes me go a bit bigger. Getting called captain.
What? Do you have a reserve parking spot over here that says captain?
Oh, weird.
We do like 8-hour shifts or something.
12 hours.
12 hours?
Yeah, 6 till 6 here.
Yeah, right.
Each ferry is a little bit different, but
Alright, okay.
we get to choose our hours that we want to do.
Yeah, wow, okay.
When we start, when we finish.
Yeah, right.
And on this one, we do 6 to 6 is pretty good.
Yeah, oh yeah. And like, at night time, we just wait here, and if someone wants you, they call you, and then you come across.
Under the road, there's sensors.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So when a car rocks up, we know they're there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Could you go almost all night without a fare, or?
It's rare here.
Rare.
Some other ferries it's super common.
Such a good shortcut,
Oh yeah.
especially for me.
Where are you headed?
Around Australia. I'll be in Adelaide for a couple of weeks,
Yep.
then they're heading to Perth.
Heading to Perth.
Heading to Perth and up around the top end and finish in Canberra where I started.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Geez, it's gonna be shit right around summer up top.
Well, I'm actually gonna get to Perth and I'm gonna wait until probably May. Because I'll be in Perth by early February or before.
Got dry season up there, don't you?
Yeah, I have to wait for the dry, which is
Like
late.
a cyclone up in Queensland.
Yeah, I know. Lucky I'm not there.
I know.
But I've had really bad weather the last 4 days here. So it's been terrible.
Ah, it's beautiful. What are you talking about?
Today was beautiful.
We don't get much rain down here.
Oh, that big storm front coming the other day.
I've got a mate up in Queensland and we chat all the time.
Yeah.
They get more rain in a day than we get in a year.
Alrighty, thank you very much.
You have a good day.
Thanks, Captain.